Hey guys, let's do a quick tutorial on the intelligent cruise control on the 2020 Sentra. It's going to be very similar to most of our other cars, but let's take a look. Hi Ginger.
So today we're going to talk about intelligent cruise control with a lot of our cars coming equipped with it now. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise on and off. This button here selects the dashes, the 1 car length, 2 car length, 3, or the far, medium, closer. Then we have set, cancel, and resume. When activating the intelligent cruise control, you will turn it on. And then you can pick 3 dashes, as you can see straight ahead in front of the driver, 2 or 1. When we hit set, it activates the cruise. Right now, the speed is set to 107. We will follow the car in front of us, and as they speed up, we will speed up to a maximum of 107. If we hit this plus sign, that will increase our speed. We will only be going as fast as the car in front of us, which right here is stating that we do have a car in front of us. When you put on the blinker, the car will speed up to the max of 114, because that's what I have the car set at right now.